Vivian spent 25% of her money and an additional $45 on a bracelet. She then spent 40% of her remaining money and an additional $25 on a watch. Given that she was left with $65, how much money did Vivian have at first? So what we do to understand this is to draw for ourselves a model first for Vivian's amount of money. So she spent that 25% and an additional $45. Thereafter, she is left with a green section, which is her remaining amount of money. Okay, this is remaining. She then spent 40% of her remaining money. So out of these remaining block here, she spent 40% of that. So what we'll do, we will focus on the remaining amount of money right now, whereby for the block of remaining amount of money, she spent 40% and an additional $25 on a watch. She was then left with $65, which means over here is $65. How much money did Vivian have at first? So going back to the original model, they want to know what is the total amount left at first. So we talk about the remaining first, because we have the information, the entire information about the remaining block of model. We know that 40% was spent, and she also spent an additional 25. She's left with 65, which means that the entire thing for the remaining will always be 100%. This section, we can know how many percent is it. 100%, take away 40%, 60% is over here. So 60% for the remaining money is represented by $25 plus $65. 60% is represented by $90, and we try and find what is 100%. So we can go to 10%, divide by 6. So 90 divided by 6, $15. Again, why divide by 6? Because from 60 to 10, you divide by 6, you do the same thing on the right side as well. So 100%, meaning the remaining amount of money, 15 times 10, y times 10, from 10 to 100 is a multiplication of 10. They do the same thing here. So $150. Alright. So the remaining section over here is $150. So I know remaining will be 150. How much did she have at first? Now again, the original total is another set of 100%. Over here is 25%, which means that 45 plus 150 must be 75%. Okay, so 100% minus 25%, 75%, and 75% of her original money is being represented by $45 plus the remaining amount. 45 plus 150 is 195. Okay, we can go to 25%, divide by 3, over here divide by 3 as well. $65. Okay, so then we can jump to 100% times 4 times 4. Final answer, $260 was what she had at first.